friends, welcome to my channel. So I'm planning to make chole bhature tomorrow. So what I have done here is I have taken this chole chickpeas. Now I have washed them 2-3 times, and now I'll soak it for at least 8 hours, that is overnight. So morning I'll show you how they nicely take the water and fluff out. So you can see the chickpeas, they're nicely swollen up and they have been soaking here overnight, around 8 to 9 hours now, and they have almost doubled in size actually, you can see. Now what we'll do is I'll pressure cook them for at least 5 to 6 whistles, and then I'll show you. So I have cooked the chickpeas in pressure cooker. I have over 5 to 6 whistles, and you can see it's very hot right now, but it has flopped up so much. It's almost become more than double in size and cooked so well. See, so now let's start making the chole bhature today. So for the making of the chole, we need to make some paste. So first thing we need to make, I have taken here two and a half actually medium sized onions, and here we have 2 green chilies. These are light green chilies, and around 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, and these we need to grind together and make a fine paste. And I've taken here 4 medium sized tomatoes, and these also I need to grind it into a separate smooth paste. So I'll do that, and then let's start cooking the chole. So I'm taking here 2 and a half medium sized onions, just roughly chopping them into the mixer grinder. And 2 green chilies and 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. So I'll make a fine paste of this and then show you. So you can see our fine red onions, green chilies and the garlic paste is ready. Now let's puree the tomatoes. Now I will chop the tomatoes roughly into the grinder, 4 of them medium sized. And now let's make a smooth paste and I'll show you. So our tomato paste is also nice and ready, smooth paste. Now let's start rolling and making the chole. So in the pan, in the kadai, I am putting around 3 to 4 teaspoons of coconut oil, and I'll put a teaspoon of butter. You can either put butter or you can also put ghee. So I am making it in butter today. So let the butter melt and the ghee, the oil get little warm. The gas is on low right now, so we can make it into medium flame. So now the oil is nice and hot. I'll put the tej patta first, the big elaichi 1, 2 small cardamom, that is elaichi, 1/2 inch 2 sticks of cinnamon, the star anise, and 3 to 4 pods of clove. Now let this saute a bit. Let it start popping up a bit and releasing the aroma. Then I'll add a teaspoon of jeera. Once the jeera splutters well, we can put the onion, green chili and the clove, the garlic paste. Now the flame is on low, so just mix this well, and now let the onion cook over low flame till you feel that the raw smell is gone off of the onion. So you can cover it now at this stage and cook it on low flame. It will take around 4 to 5 minutes. So I'll show you. Meanwhile, what we can do is, I have removed around 2 teaspoons of the boiled chickpeas, and I'll just mash it like this. So this we will add to the gravy later on, and this actually gives a nice texture and body to the chole. So I'll mash everything, and then so see the chole have been cooked so nicely. Just check. So this is the way we should have the cooked chole. This is the perfect cooking of the chole. And remember that I haven't added any soda, any baking soda, nothing of that sort. In spite of that, the chole have cooked so well. So ideally there is no need, for the chole to be cooked in baking soda or baking powder. If you soak it overnight properly, at least for 8 to 10 hours, and then cook it over 4 to 5 whistles, it will be cooked perfectly. Yeah. So now let me check whether our onions are cooking well. Yeah, they are cooking wonderful, but still they are not cooked completely. So we will continue to cook them for 2-3 more minutes. So as you can see, the onion paste is almost cooked totally. It has started releasing the oil, and the moisture from the onions is almost gone now, and the color also has changed. So now at this stage we will add the tomato puree, and then again mix it, and again we will be cooking this over medium flame till the mixture is well cooked and it starts releasing oil. So I'll just cover this and cook it over medium flame now. So let's check out whether the tomato is cooked. See how nicely it is bubbling. So our tomato is also cooked, started releasing the oil. So at this stage we will start adding the dry masalas. So we have here around 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, around 2 teaspoons of the red chili masala, a teaspoon of jeera powder, a teaspoon of dhania powder, and a teaspoon and half of amchur powder. So let's mix this. and let the masala also cook well in the gravy. So once the masala cooks, the base for our chole is ready, and then we can add the cooked chole. So I'll cook it over medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes now. Check out how lovely this color is. Now at this stage, if you want to enhance the color more, either you can add red food color or you can add degi mirch, that is the Kashmiri red chili powder. So now I'm not adding that, so I'm going to add the chole now. So chole we should add along with the water that we cooked the chole, because it is highly nutritious, the water. So let's add the chole and along with the water. And now mix it well. And now is the time to add the mashed chole that we made to give the nice body and texture to the chole. So now is the time. We need to add the salt. It's around 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Remember, we haven't added any salt from the beginning, like from the cooking of the chole. We haven't put any salt. So now let this cook. It's looking so yummy. Let this cook over medium flame for 3 to 4 minutes. So our chole is wonderfully cooked now. Last thing remaining is to put half a teaspoon of garam masala. And now I will serve the chole bhatura and show you. So you can see, friends, I have served the chole bhature along with some salad and some makhan, that is butter, and a fried green chili. So I hope you liked my video and my recipe. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And do try out this recipe. Let me know in the comment section how it came out to. And if you want me to make any future wonderful videos of any particular recipe you want, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching my videos. Take care. Bye bye. So there are various ways in which actually chole can be made. So this is a typical Delhi side chole bhature. Let's see, someday I'll make a different kind of chole bhature also for you, the black color chole bhature. Okay, take care. Bye.